Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? And you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to pair both of them with one device. But you can listen to music with one earphone if you need this. You can put only one to the charging case, then you can close the case, but if you already put it, it disconnected from the phone. So you can close the case or open it, it's up to you. Now, we can use only the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings and Bluetooth, and as you can see, we still have connection. But sometimes it happened that you put your earbud to the case, use the second one, but it showed in the Bluetooth disconnected. Then I had it with the right one, maybe you will have it with the left one. You need to only remove your earbud from the case, then this earbud reconnect with your phone. You see no LED light here, and after that you put it to the charging case, and then this problem will fix. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!